Click on the link below to get price. The Caroma Peak Electric Scooter stands out in the crowded market of electric scooters, particularly for those seeking an off-road experience combined with the comfort of a seat. With its impressive specifications available in 500W, 800W, and 1200W variants, this scooter is designed for versatility and power, making it suitable for both urban commutes and adventurous trails. One of the most striking features of the Caroma Peak is its robust 20-inch off-road tires. These tires provide excellent traction and stability, allowing riders to navigate various terrains effortlessly. Whether you're tackling gravel paths, uneven sidewalks, or even light mud, the scooter handles it all with grace. The larger tires also contribute to a smoother ride, absorbing bumps and jolts, which is particularly beneficial for longer journeys. The inclusion of a seat is another significant advantage. It transforms the riding experience, allowing for extended use without the fatigue that typically accompanies standing scooters. The seat is well padded and adjustable, catering to riders of different heights. This feature makes it an excellent choice for users looking for comfort on longer rides or those who prefer a more relaxed riding position. The range is another selling point, with options of 15, 25, or 30 miles depending on the model you choose. This flexibility allows users to select the power that best suits their needs, whether for short urban trips or longer excursions. The battery life feels reliable, ensuring that riders won't find themselves stranded unexpectedly. However, it is worth noting that while the scooter is durable, it is relatively heavy, which may pose a challenge for those who need to carry it frequently. Additionally, the assembly process can be somewhat cumbersome, requiring a bit of patience. In conclusion, the Caroma Peak Electric Scooter, with its powerful motor options, comfortable seating, and off-road capabilities, offers a well-rounded experience for adventurous riders. It is a solid investment for anyone seeking a reliable and enjoyable ride, blending comfort with performance.